In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the employee display name in QuickBooks. Now, if you're managing your business finances, you know how important it is to keep your employee records organized and up to date. And sometimes that means adjusting how information is displayed in your accounting software. So let's dive into those steps and make this process as simple as possible for you. First off, you'll want to start by launching your preferred web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks login page. Look for the sign in button and give it a click. This part is straightforward but crucial, as you need to access your account to make any changes. We're choosing QuickBooks Online for this particular task, so ensure that you select this option if prompted. Once that's done, go ahead and type in your account credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password accurately, and then hit continue. This step is essential for accessing your QuickBooks dashboard, where all your employee information is stored. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Employees section. The easiest way to get there is by following the designated link or simply navigating through your QuickBooks Online menu. Once in the Employees tab, you'll see a list of all the employees currently in your system. You'll need to find the specific employee profile you wish to edit. Click on their profile to proceed to their personal details page. With the employee's profile open, it's time to move to the personal info section. This is where you'll find all the necessary information stored about the individual employee, including the display name that we're aiming to adjust. Look around the page and spot the edit button and click it. This will allow you to make the necessary changes to that specific profile. Now, within the editable fields, you'll see an option labeled Show Display Name. This option is currently showing the employee's display name and needs to be adjusted. Click on this field to make changes. Here, we are focusing on either altering or simply removing the display name entirely. To remove the display name, select the text within the field and delete it. Be careful here to only delete the display name unless there's a specific need to alter other details. Double check the field to ensure it's now blank as you intend. Finally, to save all your hard work, scroll down and click on the Save button. It's imperative to save your changes to ensure that the display name is no longer visible and the profile reflects this update. And there you have it, you've successfully turned off the employee display name in QuickBooks. This wraps up our guide for today. Hopefully these steps were clear and easy enough for you to follow along. By keeping your employee details current, you're one step closer to better financial management for your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks.